Hi, my name is Matt, and I'd like to show you a demonstration about how an earthquake works. So as you can see here, I've got a couple of things. I've got a brick and a board. So my friends and I call this the brick and board model of earthquakes. But I also have a few more things. You can see I have a piece of sandpaper on this brick and also a piece of sandpaper on the board. And all sandpaper is just a piece of paper with some grains of sand stuck to it. And then you can also see I have a rubber band that I've put around the brick here and a cup of water. Can you see the water in the cup there? And that's just sitting on the end of this board. So watch carefully as I demonstrate how an earthquake works. Now, this isn't actually a real earthquake, so you don't have to run for cover. It'll be okay. But just watch as I pull on this rubber band. So I'm holding the board down, and I'm going to pull this brick slowly. You can see how the rubber band stretches. Now watch what happens as I stretch it further. Did you see that? The whole brick moved. Moved pretty fast, too. So let's look at it again, and then you can get a better look at the brick. Okay, here we go again. Did you see that? Now watch what happens to the water in the cup. I'll do it one more time. So before I move anything, the water in the cup is still. Now watch as I move the brick again. So that was our model of an earthquake, the brick and board model. Did you like it? I know it's not a real earthquake, but real earthquakes are pretty hard to study because they often happen without any warning. So by using a model, we can actually study earthquakes. So what I'd like to do now is have us think about every part of this model. For example, if we try to make a chart that shows what the pieces of the model were, then we can think about what they represent in a real earthquake. So I'll get us started. Let's say that we have the brick, and that represents something, and we have a board, and that also represents something. And I'm going to let you and your classmates and your teacher think about the rest of this side. And then think about what each of these parts of the model represent in the real world.